Welcome everyone to the channel. So this is a new channel for all the students of medium English. Okay. So in here we will be dealing everything totally completamente in English, completely in English. And if someone comments that do in Hindi and whatever, so it depends on the situation. थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी बोल लेंगे, but we will try to completely be in English. If someone has a problem, then we can surely discuss for that, but we'll try to keep in English only. Okay, so that they don't have much difficulty in understanding or something. I don't know what to say, but yeah, it's fine. If you comment down it's sometimes Hindi or bilingual, it's fine, but we will stick completely to the English core content of our psychology. All right. Okay, so all the best, prepare well for the upcoming examination, and Mr. David will be in between because of the, you have heard about the disorders, right? So disorders are muy importante, which very much important for you. And for net examination, be sure if you have came here, so Ash, all right. This time you might see him coming, all right. So don't forget to learn about his experiments, what he did, what he write. Okay, not write exactly in net, but yeah, what he did, the experiment in social psychology. All right, because he's the one which who has been not been yet explored. So this time in net you might see him. All right, and if you not, at least you would have prepared. Conformity, sure shot, one question coming. Conformity, sure shot, one question coming. And if it would be Ash, so like Sone pe Suhaga thing. So all the best with Mr. Ash and David Wiesler. All right, David Wiesler, Ash, and you got yours, Seligman, and what one who? Let's select who? Freud. So Freud comes every time, right? There's nothing big, but yeah, Wiesler, Ash, Seligman, Freud, and Carl Jung. All right. So eat them all. Khaja ends up, right? Wiesler, Seligman. What else the net could ask, right? What he will ask, what they will ask, right? For the net NTA, what it will ask apart from Wiesler, Freud, Seligman, and all those, right? So all the best. Soon you will be seeing the videos in here, so don't worry. Everything will be in English only. All right. Thank you. Das Vidania.